And this is Rakesh from Let's Make Learning Simple channel. Now we are going to see how to create a thread using Java. So Java supports two approaches. One, by extending thread class, and another approach is implementing runnable interface. So the first approach is thread class. As the name itself suggests, the class, any Java class extends object class internally. So this is known to everyone, and this is a new thing. The thread class implements runnable interface. So the abstract methods that are present in the runnable interface needs to be implemented or needs to be overridden in the extended classes. If you are extending this thread class, then you need to override the methods that are present in the runnable interface. We will see how to override those things in the later part of this video. Thread class supports four constructors. Empty constructor, and with the name, this used to create an empty thread. This used to create a thread with some name, and we will talk about these two constructors in the later part of the video. And the second approach is runnable interface. Suppose if you are creating some class, you need to implement this runnable interface for making it eligible for multi-threading. We will see about that in the later part of the video. Runnable interface has only one method, only one abstract method called run. So any class that implements runnable interface needs to override this run method. Then how to start the thread? If suppose you have created a thread object using thread class, example T, then you can simply start the thread by using t.start. That's it. We'll talk about the inner things in the later part of the video. See how to create the threads using extending method and implementing runnable interface. First, we will see the extending thread class. Here, this thread one is some class name that extends thread class. Since it's a extending thread class, the thread class internally implements runnable interface. So this method should override the run method. So I override using some dummy message hello. And then inside the void main, I just created the object for this class, thread1, t1. Now this t1 is a thread object. You can directly call t1.start. Till this line creates a new thread, and this line promotes the thread from new state to runnable state. From runnable to running state would be handled by the thread scheduler and JVM. So we shouldn't call t.run. That would be automatically called by the internal JVM and thread executors. So the final output would be hello. If you observe it then you would see the only few minor differences between these two programs. Here we are extending thread class, here we are implementing runnable interface. Thread class internally implements runnable interface. Here we are explicitly implementing runnable interface. So we need to override run method. So we have overridden the run method. Inside the void main, we have created the object for this class. The class that this thread to implement runnable. So for that class, we have created the object. Then this object is not a thread object. To make it as a thread object, we need to pass that object in the thread class. This is a thread class object. This is a thread class. And inside these params, inside the constructor params, we need to pass this reference t2. So now this t is the thread object. You can directly call t.start. Then the process would be very similar to this program. So the t.start, this line creates a new thread called t. This line promotes the thread from new state to runnable, and then the JVM and thread executor determines when to make the thread to be a executable state. So that is running string. So the output will be hello. Thanks for watching this video. At the end of this video, you will see the channel icon here. Please click on that for subscribing the channel. If suppose if you like this video, means smash the like button, comment it and share.